once you get in your car, go ahead and give me a call so I know that you're good. Because I've got to take the long way around to get out of this. Seat here. Alright, my seat's on. That's what I said. It's a little bit on the cold side. Now, I had someone tell me that my voice is very soothing. She just likes interrupting me. They said that my voice is very soothing. And I try to keep it that way so people can enjoy it. I try not to be overly ambitious or anything. But yes, at times I do raise my voice. I try not to swear as much as I used to because I've been a teacher. I work in a museum now. In my prior life, I was in the Army. 8 minutes to US 50 East, Annapolis. Let's see if I can get her to call me. I'm just killing my mileage thing. There it is. Alright. I like doing intros and outros here from time to time. I think it's a beautiful place. I really like looking at the water. I'm one of those people. I'm from a landlocked state. Now that I live really close to the beach, I like going to the beach as much as possible. And now that I have my brakes with new shoes, I'm so much happier because I can now do that without worry that me and or my lovely bride of 31 years plus would be hurt, or worse yet, my bike get hurt. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for watching Dark Dave Shop. If you haven't before, please go ahead and subscribe. Let me know what you think. Share with your friends. Let me know what kind of video you would like to see next. I'll see you later.